The American prairie, often referred to as the Great Plains, is a vast and iconic ecosystem that stretches across the central region of North America. Characterized by its expansive grasslands, rolling hills, and unique climate, the American prairie has played a significant historical, ecological, and cultural role in the development of the United States. The prairie landscape covers approximately 1.2 million square miles, encompassing parts of the United States and Canada. It extends from the eastern foothills of the Rocky Mountains to the western edges of the Mississippi River, and from the southern Canadian provinces to the northern reaches of Texas. This immense expanse of grasslands was historically dominated by a variety of native grass species, including buffalo grass, blue grama grass, and big bluestem. The American prairie is subject to a semi-arid climate with erratic rainfall patterns, characterized by hot summers and cold winters. These climatic conditions, combined with the prevalence of grasses adapted to fire and grazing, have shaped the ecosystem's unique flora and fauna. Prairie plants have deep root systems that enable them to survive and thrive despite the harsh conditions. Additionally, fire has played a crucial role in maintaining the prairie ecosystem by preventing the encroachment of woody plants and promoting the growth of native grasses. Historically, the prairie supported an array of wildlife, most notably the American bison, which roamed the grasslands in massive herds. The bison played a vital role in shaping the prairie ecosystem through their grazing behaviors, which helped maintain the grasslands and create habitats for other species. Unfortunately, widespread settlement, agriculture, and hunting led to the near extinction of the bison and significant habitat loss. The American prairie has deep cultural significance as well. Indigenous peoples have lived on the plains for centuries, adapting to the challenges and opportunities presented by the land. European settlers later established farms and ranches, forever altering the landscape. The prairie also served as a route for westward expansion and trade, with iconic wagon trails like the Oregon Trail passing through its expanse. In recent times, efforts have been made to conserve and restore the remaining fragments of the American prairie. Prairie restoration involves reintroducing native grasses and plants, managing invasive species, and employing controlled burns to mimic natural ecological processes. These efforts not only help preserve the unique biodiversity of the prairie, but also contribute to carbon sequestration and the prevention of soil erosion. In conclusion, the American prairie is a vast and distinctive ecosystem that has played a significant role in shaping the history, culture, and environment of North America. Its expansive grasslands, diverse wildlife, and unique climate have left a lasting impact on the region, and ongoing conservation efforts aim to safeguard its ecological and cultural heritage for future generations.